Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play GTA V on Cellphone. Start by checking device specs and network speed, then pick between cloud streaming or remote play and sign into your account. Configure controls, touch or controller mapping, and optimize graphics for battery life. Test latency in free sessions and adjust resolution to reduce lag. Save settings and practice driving and shooting in safe zones before joining live servers. I'll walk you through device preparation, app setup, and performance tweaks to play GTA V smoothly on your phone. Install the official Remote Play or Cloud app, sign into your platform account, and grant permissions. Connect a low-latency controller or enable touch controls with custom mapping. Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi or fast mobile data, close background apps, and enable battery saver when needed. Finally, calibrate controls and run a quick trial session. Quick recommendation, and if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tips. On another note, for a fresher commute after long sessions, I honestly love Little Tree's Black Ice as a compact, long-lasting car air freshener that smells clean and sharp. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Here are practical tips to reduce lag, improve visuals, and prevent crashes while playing GTA V on your phone. Update apps and firmware, clear cache, and use wired Ethernet to your router if possible. Lower resolution and frame rate if latency spikes, and prioritize game traffic in your router settings. Close notifications, enable Do Not Disturb, and monitor temperature to avoid thermal throttling during long sessions. Reboot device weekly to maintain performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.